1. Before using this adapter, please first connect your mobile phone to the car with a USB data cable, complete the settings for relevant functions, and ensure the wired CarPlay or Android Auto functions can be used normally. 2. Plug the adapter. Caution: must be the data port, not the charging port. 3. Turn on your phone's Wi-Fi after the indicator is on. 4. Turn on the Bluetooth. 5. Search the adapter's Bluetooth Smartbox XX, then pair it. 6. Bluetooth paired, Wi-Fi auto connects. Now you can enjoy your CarPlay. Caution: when the system software version of the iPhone is iOS 18 or later, the method of the connection is different. For iPhones running iOS 18 or later. 1. Open General Settings in the iPhone Settings interface. 2. Tap CarPlay, then click Turn on WLAN and Bluetooth. 3. Search the adapter's Bluetooth Smartbox XX, then pair it. 4. Wait a moment. Once the driving on prompt appears, you can enjoy CarPlay now. Reconnect automatically just 5-10 seconds. To use it again, just start the car. Keep your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on and unoccupied. Caution 1. The adapter can only auto-reconnect with the last used phone. If the current phone is not the last one, manual connection is needed. Caution 2. Please ensure the Auto Start option in CarPlay settings is on. How to disconnect. To disconnect from the adapter, turn off your phone's Wi-Fi, or unplug the adapter. To reconnect to the same phone, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth again or plug the adapter. The adapter will reconnect automatically in a few seconds. Switching between multiple phones. Before switching phones, turn off the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the current phone first, and then pair the Bluetooth with the new phone. The adapter will only auto-connect to the last connected phone. Each time you connect a new mobile phone to the adapter, you need to pair and connect Bluetooth and Wi-Fi manually.